What's going on, guys? It's Brian here. Welcome back to my channels. Right now, we are at a very sunny beach town in Vietnam, which is Vung Tàu. And today, I will take you guys on a tour at this 4-bedroom, 5-bath house in La Vida Residency, Vung Tàu. Right, we walk inside, you will see there's a spot for 1 car, and the stairway will be on this side. We'll take you guys directly into the house. All right, welcome in. Right after you walk inside, this will be the living space for this house. And you can see the owner, they decorated quite simple. On my right hand right here is the television, and the left side will be the sofas. And behind me will be the dining areas. The ceiling is high enough, which makes the house very airy, and the wind can actually come inside, which is a huge plus since we are in the tropical areas. If you follow me on this side, you will heading to the outdoor kitchen, which is a special feature of this house. Separate kitchen is a common concept, but the outdoor kitchen is a unique concept for Vietnamese people as well as Asian, because a lot of our food we cook actually have very strong smell. That's why outdoor kitchen will be a very helpful thing for this place, since it will block out the smell from the food to the house. Yeah, just some simple appliances like a fridge, sink, and a stove. As you guys might wonder, what is this gold box? It's actually a elevators. So if your house have an older people, they can easily move it up and down between floors. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this house have 4 stories, and we are now in the 1st story. So actually, let's moving up. Okay, let's use the elevator to demonstrate, yeah? Okay, that's for the 2nd floor. See you guys in a bit. Alright, we make it quite a music to listen to. Yeah, so we are now at the 2nd floor, and on this side will be the master bedroom, which I will show you later. Now, let's head into the smaller bedroom first. Welcome. So we are now in the smaller bedroom, or you can call it a guest bedroom. Everything is still new because this place just finished last year. And yeah, right here is the television. Once again, very bright window. Down here is a little working areas, closets on this way, and if you follow me on this way, will actually be the guest bathroom. Let's actually step inside. Very bright, and I love this marble tile that they use for the bathroom. Yeah. Now, let's head into the actual master bedroom. Welcome in. Right, when you walk in, you will see this large window, and you can actually walk outside to enjoy some fresh air. Your master bed will be right here. Also the same concept, they have a little working areas right here, but you can always convert it into a makeup desk or anything you like. Closet will also be on this side. They also use the open closet, but you can always switch things up and do something more private. Here will be your master bathroom. Yeah, the same design, same concept. Let's turn this down so that it's not gonna be too noisy. Yeah, let's actually take a walk to the patio. Yeah, now we are actually at the front of the house. Very nice wind, and you can actually see the sunrise on this angle. Imagine putting an armchair here and just enjoying your morning tea or morning coffee here. Is also very nice. I think it's enough for this floor right here. We just take the elevator, so this time let's use the stair. Very nice ambient lights. So on this 3rd floor is the other 2 rooms that we have, which make up the total 4 rooms. Everything will be the same, so I don't think I will show you guys, but let's just head upstairs. Alright, and now we are at the last floor of this house. Another cool feature of this place is we actually have 2 kitchens. This is the 2nd kitchen, and this will be mainly used for the outdoor dining table right there, which I will show you in a bit. But yeah, here, newly built kitchen. Yeah, very nice kitchen top right here. And behind you, actually, this area right here, the owner, they use it for doing laundry. But I can always imagine doing something else here, like maybe a workout space or maybe a little book reading space, which is also perfect because of how windy this place is. Maybe at night, not in the morning, it's a bit too sunny. And now we are at the outdoor dining area. They have dining table right here, And this is a perfect place for you to host a party or maybe just a little family dinner. And a common problem with all these dining tables is that it's hard to commute from the kitchen downstairs to bring all the food, the utensil, plate, dish upstairs. So the fact that the kitchen is right out there is a very nice feature to have. And I also very like this little window right here and the way they built it. From the inside looking out, this looks just like a little artwork of the rural part of Vung Tau, which is very nice. Alright, that should cover up everything we need to talk about in this top floor. Now let's head downstairs. Bye bye. Oh man, the music is so nice. So there you have it. This house located in a very nice neighborhood of Vung Tau. It's only about 10 minutes to the beach, and honestly the fact that we have 4 bedrooms and 2 kitchens, you can even fit 2 separate families here without any problems. Or it can even be your vacation home in Vung Tau. You can come here with your families and just enjoying the sun, the beach here, and your lovely time with your families. Alright, I think I just covered up everything this house have to offer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.